Well, we got a good one for you here today, guys. Today we're going to build a ring tossing game. Let's make these boxes 5 foot by 2'9". I got this on Amazon, and these washers are just a little bit smaller than the circle. It's not like the old style where we used to have a bean can and you had a washer about the same size as the top of the bean can. You could never get it in, but anyway, we're going to have some fun playing some washers on the beach. Yeah, you heard me right. A beach right smack dab in the middle of Texas. Now's a good time to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss this episode. It's going to be a good one. On the outside of that, where we got our 20-foot walkway, we're going to get some special Bermuda that holds up for a lot of traffic. So that's going to run us probably about $200 a pallet. So we're in search for that as well. Anyway, stay tuned. We're going to have some fun. You know, when you're a content creator, you really do organize your work better. As you see here, I've got all my tooling gathered up and ready to go. And behind me here, you can see I've got this perfect pond, Biologic liquid fish pond fertilizer. This 1 gallon, $40 jug will treat 1 acre. And what this does is puts plankton into the water for the smaller fish, the fry, into the bait fish, and we're raising the bluegill. So stay tuned with us for that video, and we'll show you how we apply that with toy guns, squirt guns. Pretty interesting. So stay tuned for more videos, fishing videos, videos on taking care of your ponds, aeration, things of that nature. We got a lot of good videos rolling, and if you would, hit that subscribe button, like and share, and we're going to keep these videos coming right into your living room. So we really need your help to subscribe. Okay, let's start building our boxes. Okay, that wraps up our box build. So you can see there we've got 5x3 boxes, and we're going to get ready to go down there to the beach, and we're going to lay them out 20 feet apart. Now, some instructions tell you can go as much as 25 feet. For beginners, 13 feet. So we settled at 20 feet from cup to cup. See you down at the beach. Okay, we're gonna dig down right here and put some gravel in the hole so the water will drain out of the cup. I really like these levels with the lights. Switch the button, go vertical. Switch the button back to go horizontal. Pretty cool. Especially when you can't hardly see like me. Plan B. 5,000-pound forklift. Now if you'll notice here, I got some freshly cut sod. And we reached out to Elmdale Sod here in the Big Country. You need to try them folks out for all your sod needs. And they have a very friendly phone call waiting on you, and they got some good sod prices, so go check them out. And you're going to find out that the grass is greener on the other side of the fence. So let's just get this tractor started up and let's get to it. Okay, let's roll out some sod, boys and girls. Look at here, instant grass. I love it. Tiff Tough Bermuda, very drought tolerant. We're gonna have some fun on this ring toss game. Jack's gonna be laying on this here in a minute. There were some sure nice folks at Elmdale Farms. You guys need to check them out. We are done. Gotta water it. This is where we're gonna play washers. Well, lay down in it.
That's nice.
All right, that's gonna wrap it up. We turned a simple patch of sand and some fresh sod into a backyard washer toss setup. And honestly, it came out better than expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.